To make 4 half square triangles, you'll need a rotary cutter, 2 fabric squares of the same size, a clear quilting ruler, some thread, and a sewing machine. Place the 2 fabric squares right sides together, aligning the raw edges. Sew around all 4 edges using a scant 1/4 inch seam allowance. Give your HST a quick press and then cut on both diagonals using your rotary cutter and quilting ruler. You'll now have 4 half square triangles that are almost ready for trimming. Open each half square triangle and press the seam toward the darker fabric. You ready to trim? I'm trimming my half square triangles to 2 inches square. Place your ruler on top of the HST with the diagonal line on your ruler on top of the diagonal seam. Since I'm making a 2-inch half square triangle, I'll make sure that the 2-inch markings on my ruler all fall within the boundary of the fabric. Using your rotary cutter, trim the right and top sides of the HST. Then turn the HST 180 degrees. Line up the freshly cut edges of your HST with the markings on your ruler that coincide with the measurements of the HST you're trying to make. I'm lining mine up with the 2-inch marks. Be sure the diagonal line of your ruler is on the diagonal seam of the HST. Using your rotary cutter, trim the right and top sides. I'll go ahead and repeat these steps with the other 3 HSTs. And you're done. Nice work. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.